Hi, welcome to the WTAMU Virtual Math Lab. This video will step you through College Algebra Tutorial 14, Example 5. In this example, we want to solve the equation 12 minus 4y equals 16 for y. The goal here is to get y by itself on one side and everything else on the other side using inverse operations. When we do the inverse operations, we want to make sure that we do the same thing to both sides in order to keep the two sides of the equation equal to each other. It looks like y is on one side, but not by itself. We need to move that 12 that is being added to the y term and the negative 4 that y is being multiplied by. In step 1, we want to simplify each side if needed. There is no simplifying that can be done on this problem, so let's move on to step 2. In step 2, we want to use the addition and subtraction properties of equality to move the variable term on one side and all the other terms to the other side. Let's move that constant term 12 to the other side. What is the inverse of add? Subtract. So we need to subtract 12 from both sides. So we will have 12 minus 4y minus 12 equals 16 minus 12. When we subtract the 12 on the left side, we're left with a negative 4y equals, and on the right side we end up with 4. We are not done because y is not by itself. In step 3, we want to use the multiplication or division property of equality to remove any values that are in front of the variable. We need to move that negative 4 that is being multiplied times the y. What is the inverse of multiply? Divide. So we need to divide both sides by negative 4. When we divide the left side by negative 4, the negative 4's cancel out and we're left with just y. And when we divide the 4 on the right side by negative 4, we end up with negative 1. So our final answer is y equals negative 1. In step 4, we want to check our answer. Note that if you put negative 1 back in for y in the original problem, the two sides will be equal, which shows that the negative 1 is the solution to our problem.